presenting a pre-owned 2015 Honda Accord LXS. 2015 Honda Accord LXS. Sleek, reliable, ready to impress. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Honda has less than 103,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the sleek and stylish 2015 Honda Accord LXS. Powered by a 2.4L i4 engine, it delivers 185 horsepower and 181 ft-lbs of torque. Translation: it's quick and agile. Dressed in crystal black pearl with a black leather interior, this beauty turns heads like Batman's affordable ride. With under 10,000 miles per year, it's barely broken in. And with 24 mpg city/34 mpg highway, it's as easy on your wallet as it is on the eyes. This Accord is in excellent overall condition, with a clean CARFAX report and just one owner. No messy past, just a bright future. Reliable, efficient, and stylish, it's ready to impress. Come see it in person and experience the 2015 Honda Accord LXS for yourself. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.